Hello guys, this video will show you how to connect the nitrogen generator to our packing machine. Okay, firstly, we will need to insert the plug to our power. And then second, we will need to connect the pipe to this air dryer device. One is here, and this one to connect it to the air compressor. And then second, we could start our machine. Turn on the button right here. Okay, and then next, press this green button. And then now machine is running. When you firstly open this nitrogen generator, we need to waiting for around 30 minutes so as to make sure the nitrogen could reach the static purity perimeter. Like around after 30 minutes, the purity of the nitrogen will reach the static perimeter like 99% or 99.9% like this. And after that, after 30 minutes, make sure the nitrogen air is clean enough. We will connect this tube, and then connect this tube and the adapter, then connect them together and put it inside and link the type to another side to the coffee capsule packing machine. Here is the nitrogen connected way.